Oh, sorry, Janine.
That's okay, Slimer. We're all a little tired.
A little tired? My calculator just fell asleep.
That's it. Break time.
We deserve it.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
The slave drivers are back.
Well, looky here. Must be nice, huh, guys?
Yeah, nice.
You people don't know how easy you have it.
It's a jungle out there in the real world.
Hey, we're working hard too, you know. Which reminds me, when can we discuss the pay raise you promised?
We'll talk about it later, Janine.
That's what you said yesterday.
Egon said it yesterday. I said it day before yesterday. Anyway, I have to hustle over to the ladies' charity function where I will be auctioned off as a date to the highest lady bidder. The price of fame. The name's Venkman. Peter Venkman.
Hey, I gotta run too. I'm guest speaker at a comic book convention.
Yeah, and I gotta be on the set in 10 minutes. We start shooting the Fizz Up TV commercial today.
And I'm off to the university to receive their annual Scientific Achievement Award.
There's the cabs.
Wait, guys, these checks need signing.
We'll sign them later, Louis.
That's what you said yesterday.
We'll
Ciao,
bring you a doggy
Janine.
beds,
Adios,
bud.
Louis.
Later, guys.
Boy, if their heads swell anymore, they'll have to wear wide load signs on their backs.
And meanwhile, we don't get paychecks.
Thanks. Are the ladies ready for me?
Sorry, sir, but the ladies' club isn't meeting today.
Of course they are, my good man. They're expecting me.
You sure this is the place, pal? There's no comic book convention here.
Yes, there is. Look, I'm the guest speaker. Just take me around to the stage entrance.
You're the boss.
Hello? I'm here. Ray Stantz. You know, the Ghostbusters.
All right, CB, roll 'em.
I am deeply honored, and to some small degree, even humbled, to be the recipient of this prestigious award.
What?
Good afternoon, ladies. Whoa. You've really been counting those calories, huh, girls?
Welcome, Mr. Stantz. We've been expecting you.
Hey!